Hello, dear Gemini, and very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and today we are going to do the reading for Gemini people for the first 6 months of 2025. We are going to do the health reading, career reading, and relationship reading, and the guidance as usual. Okay, these are general energies. So, for each month, so it's not like the whole month is going to be like that only. Okay, and for my workshops, my one-on-one like healings or my readings, you can check out the description box and you can find me there on my website, and or you can mail me if you're not able to find me there. Okay, so it's tarotanjali@gmail.com. Now let's start with your health sector, Gemini, for the first 6 months of 2025. How it is going to be for you guys. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. Okay, in January we have the Ten of Swords. So something is going to end. It's like might be you are going to have sudden back pain, sudden joints pain, or sudden problem related to something related to your bones or something related to your back is going to be there, and it's going to be quite unhealthy, quite painful. I'm going to be honest with you, but if it is something that is happening with you from quite a long time now, take care of that situation because it's going to enhance. It's going to be enhanced in the month of January 2025 if you're not going to take care of this situation. And if it is something that is going to be abruptly coming there for you, you will be able to heal it. Don't worry about that. Now, don't continuously think negative about it. Take care of your vitamins, take care of your bone health, and especially your back area, and keep going. Okay, even if some kind of blunder is going to be there, you will be able to come out of that. Don't worry about that, because in fact we have a lot of healing, a lot of positive vibes, positive energy, especially in your emotional area, emotional and spiritual area. The more you are going to be happy, the more you will be able to heal naturally from all the physical and emotional ailments as well. Health wise, we are talking about emotional, mental, physical, every health here. So in Feb is a very beautiful month for you, especially from 17th of Feb onwards. You're going to have a very beautiful energy, very positive aura, very positive, happy-go-lucky kind of vibes when it comes to your health, and you will be able to heal and find a solution to a problem, health related problem that you might be facing from quite a long time now. In March, we have the Five of Cups. You might have some kind of emotional imbalance, and that is going to cause a little bit of stressful energies around you, a little bit of mental health in the sense ki, in that you might suffer emotionally, and that is going to cause a little bit of mental health issues as well. It's like stressful energies, not being able to sleep at night kind of energies. Please take care of those energies around you. It might hinder your health as well, physical health as well, if you're not going to keep your emotions and your mental health in check. Okay, and Jan, Feb, March, April, May is a very fantastic. These 2 months, from 10th of April till the 4th of May, you are going to have beautifully, fantastically stable health. Enjoy it while it lasts. Okay, because this time period is something that can help you to create stable kind of income, financial sources as well in your career and financial area as well, if you are going to take care of your health. The more your health is going to be stable, the more you will be able to concentrate on other areas of your life as well. So these 2 months are going to be blissfully positive for you guys, for your health sector. So make good use of this energy this month, these 2 months, as much as you can from your side. Strength card in June. Okay, in June we have from 8th of June onwards, you might have some kind of issues in holding back in this energy of expressing yourself properly. The more you are going to hold back these urges or your emotions or things that you should be expressing, you should be saying, the more it's going to have some kind of impact on your health. Okay, so expressing your feelings and expressing your things that are kind of making you feel sick from inside is going to help you a lot in order to have a healthy kind of connection between your mind, body, and soul. Okay, so that is what I have for your health sector. For you, the guidance here is, yeah, Ace of Cups. Express yourself completely, if not in front of people who like with whom you are having some kind of rift or distraction with. You can definitely take help from some kind of mentor or guru or healer or therapist or a friend who can help you to express yourself completely and fully without any kind of judgment, so that you can have a good health in in every sector of your health, emotional, mental, and physical. Okay, because everything is interrelated. Hmm. Let's move on to your career sector, how it is going to be for you guys, Gemini, for the first 6 months of 2025. Okay, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. So your career sector is looking fantastically well for the first 6 months. January 9th of January onwards, you are going to have a project and or a deal and or some kind of career opportunity that is going to make you feel very independent, very stable, very well to do. You are going to feel like this is something that I was working on from quite a long time, and or this is something that this is the state that I wanted to make for myself from quite a long time, and finally it's happening. I'm quite happy. So you are going to be very happy in January regarding your career area, because it's looking fantastically beautiful, stable, independent, beautifully done. Take care of your health though. I told you. Okay, in fact, we have the world card. You might have like travel or travel to another country, travel to another city, but this travel is going to help you to connect with other people as well, to have good projects, good career opportunities. If you are waiting for some kind of visa approval or something, there are very high chances that will happen in the month of Feb for you guys. Okay, March, the magician, you will be manifesting a brand new chapter in your career. For those of you who are looking forward to have a brand new beginning in their career area, whether it's in their business or job or whatever, I do see that happening. Your manifestation will start working from 8th of January, March, April onwards. So March is all about having brand new beginnings in your career area, in your career sector, and 8th of April onwards, I do see your manifestation coming to fruition. Your career will pick up a very high pace, with a very high speed. Your career will start picking up, and you will be having a lot of traveling, a lot of communications, a lot of meetings, and a lot of positive aspects in your career area. And in May, we have another career opportunity. So Gemini, this whole month till the first 6 months of 2025 are fantastically beautiful for you guys, for creating your stable base for your future, something that is very close to your heart and soul from quite a long time in regards to your career and like financial area, is going to definitely happen in these first 6 months. Please take care of emotional and mental well-being, because the more you are going to be emotionally and mentally stable, the more you will be able to concentrate on your career area, and you will be able to create magical beginnings in this particular first 6 months. And a lot of travel, a lot of meetings, a lot of communication, a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of brand new opportunities, and a lot of growth in your career and financial sector. So please make good use of these 6 months as much as you can, from 9th January till the 8th of June. You are going to have a fantastically beautiful period where you can create a very solid base for your career opportunity. Wow, opportunities. So keep going. Best of luck. I'm so happy and proud of you. The Sun card. Yeah. All you have to do is to have mental, emotional, and physical stability in your energies and the right kind of attitude towards your career, and boom, you're good to go. You will be able to manifest your dream career in this particular year. So keep going, and be very, very clear in your thoughts, in your energies, and keep your energies, keep your health on check, mental, emotional, physical, every health, and keep going, because you will be able to manifest your dream career in this particular first 6 months of five. So keep going, Gemini. You're good to go. Now, for those who are single, for single Geminis, let's see for the first 6 months of 2025 how it is going to be for you guys. Okay, honey. Okay, we have Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. Okay, in January and Feb 2025, I don't see much happening. I do see you being silent, not being in this energy of connecting with new people, new energies on a very enthusiastic level. Although I do see you from time to time trying to connect with people, but not being able. Just okay, I guess some like speaker issue was there, mic issue was there. Anyways, so Gen Feb 2025 for singles is like you will not be able to connect with new people, new energies with open heart and soul. Although you will try, but I don't see much happening. You are still holding on to something or someone from your past, maybe an experience, maybe a person, but I don't see much happening in this sector or in Jan and Feb. March is all about having brand new beginnings. from 1st of March onwards, your energies are going to shift. Your physical intimacy kind of deal is going to enhance. I don't see a very solid committed kind of relationship, but I do see a very passionate kind of energy of having a brand new beginning in your love and relationship area in the month of March 2025. If by any chance if I'm saying 2024, take it as 2025, because we are still in 2024, and it's on my tongue from quite a long time, from last 1 year. Okay. In April, something or someone from your past is going to show up. Might be there are chances of reconciliation with a past person and or a person that you already know, right? And even if it is going to be a new person, you are going to feel a very beautiful past life connection with somebody, as if you know this person from very long time. So in April 2025, finally I do see your love life shaping up, because you are going to feel a connection with somebody on a deeper level. It's like April May June is all about putting in the effort and energy in your love and relationship area and creating a stable base for your relationship. Now the person that you are going to meet in April, that person, that energy have the potential to convert into something very meaningful and something very beautiful till the end of June 2025. So enjoy while it lasts, because this connection, this situation, either it is somebody from your past coming back to you, and or this is somebody with whom you're going to feel a very deep rooted past life connection with, and you guys are going to put in the effort and energy into this. And if you're going to do that, if you're going to feel like, okay, I should do that, this connection can convert into something very meaningful and deep by the end of June 2025 for you guys. The guidance for singles is the Three of Wands. Okay, keep moving ahead no matter what is happening. Take the lessons, take the blessing, and keep moving on. The past is gone for a reason. The past is in the past for a reason, Gemini. Understand that reason. Do not look back and try to go back in the past again and again, or try to heal the past, or do something that is not related to you anymore. Please try to let go of everything and everyone that's not belonging in your energies anymore, and keep moving ahead. Okay, this is highly recommended to not to go back in the past for whatever reason, because this is gone. You can't change it, you can't do anything about it, you can't even heal the past. You can just be in the present moment, and this is the healing. Just give me a second. Yeah. Okay. So a lot of people ask me what I drink the whole day. This is coconut water, and sometimes I like drink ORS when I feel low. I have low BP issue. Sometimes it happens. Otherwise, I drink a lot of water, like minimum 2 to 3 liters per day, 2.5 to 3 liters per day. Peace. Anyway, so let's see, for those of you who are already in a relationship or committed and or married, how it is going to be for you for the first 6 months of 2025. Gemini. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. Okay, in January we have the wish fulfillment, the Nine of Cups. You're going to enjoy a lot of good vibes, good energy, and good kind of intimacy kind of part between you guys. A lot of happiness, a lot of let's do this together, let's do that together. That kind of energy I'm picking. Now, if you guys are somebody who is, even if you are married or committed, you guys are living separately, then it might be overindulgence in some kind of things, over alcoholic or overdoing activities that keeps you distracted from the reality. But at some point of time, you are definitely going to get a chance to heal the connection with your partner, with your spouse, whatever is applicable. In Feb, we have the Devil card. So some kind of third party issue might pop up, or some kind of unhealthy attachment or unhealthy kind of patterns might show up in your love and relationship area. Please take care of this factor, that other circumstances, other people should not get involved in your connection, in your situation, because it might get worse. If you're going to allow other people to interfere in your connection with your person, that is going to become very unhealthy very quickly, and it is something that you will not be able to enjoy then. Okay, March, we have the Hierophant. um, if you guys are not committed or married, you will be in this energy of taking the connection to the next level. And if you are already married or committed to each other, there are very good chances that you are going to renew your vows, or you are going to do something to strengthen your connection, to strengthen your marriage with your person. And that is going to make you feel very beautiful from inside. happy from inside. Okay. April, we have the Five of Swords, mind games, manipulations. A little bit of this energy of ego is going to take over your heart and soul, and you might have issues with your partner all the time. So mind your tongue. Whatever you are going to say is going to have a lot of impact on your partner. Mind your tongue and try not to win the ego, win the game rather than winning the connection, winning the relationship. Hmm. It's like a topsy turvy. It's like a not a smooth road in your love and relationship area, but you can make it smoother by being mindful and respectful. Okay. And up May June 2025 is all about being very patient with your person and putting on the effort and energy in the direction to make things work out very slowly but steadily. And at the same time, you might have this energy of choosing whether to leave or to stay in this connection, whether to go ahead with somebody else and or to leave this situation, and or to be in this situation and leaving something else or someone else behind for the sake of this relationship. So it's like in May, a lot of patience, a lot of this energy of, okay, let's do things slowly, and let's take things very very slowly. Do not lose your temper, don't be angry, don't be in this energy of this my way or highway, because it's going to have a very um, negative impact on your relationship area. And in June 2025, you are going to have an option that you have to choose whether to stay in this connection or to move ahead towards something new or someone new, and or this energy of, okay, let's put this situation on hold, and let's see where things can go, kind of a deal. A little bit of break, a bit of hold in the relationship. Now, for you, the guidance in this, the Hanged Man: surrender to the divine, but try to see things from a different perspective, from a different angle as well, from your person's point of view, from your partner's point of view as well. Try to understand their point of view as well. Try to understand their energies as well, so that you can find the solution to the problem instead of making the situation worse. This energy of trying to understand your person's point of view and their energies is going to help you a lot in making the situation more smoother and more easy to understand and easy to handle, right? So this is what I have for you for the first 6 months of 2025. Hope this helps you to navigate the energy in a beautiful way, and wish you a very very happy new year. God bless you. Namaste.